very warm welcome to today's assembly. Today is all about nature, fun, learning, and energy. So let's fill this morning with big smiles, loud claps, and cheerful spirits. To begin our assembly, I would like to call Arav to speak about the importance of the day. Let us welcome him with a huge round of applause. I am a tree. Many years ago, children played happily under my shade. Birds built nests on my branches, and the air around me was fresh and clean. But today I feel tired and sad. People throw garbage near me, plastic chokes my roots, and the smoke fills the air, and many of my tree friends are being cut down every day. I give you oxygen, fruits, shade, but all I ask is love and care. Dear children, you are the future of this planet. If you protect nature today, the earth will smile again. That is why on June 5th we celebrate Environment Day to remind ourselves that protecting nature is not just important but necessary for a happy and healthy future. Thank you. Thank you, Arav. Now get ready to put on your thinking caps because it's time for some fun riddle session. I would like to invite Yuvan and Vikas to come forward and challenge us with their exciting riddles. Let's cheer for them.
I fall from clouds, fill rivers and lakes. Without me, no life exists. What am I? The correct answer is rain.
You cannot see me, but you can feel me. I push sailboats or make autumn leaves dance. The correct answer is air.
I eat sunlight and I drink water and I breathe air, but I never move from my place. What am I? The correct answer is plant.
I follow you everywhere you go, but in the dark I do not show. I will be long in the morning and evening, but I will be small in the afternoon. Who am I? The correct answer is shadow.
Thank you.
Now get ready to move, clap and enjoy. It's time for an energetic action song presented by our talented friends. Let's give our performance a huge round of applause. What an amazing performance. Now, it's the final presentation of today's assembly. A wonderful role play with an important message about our environment.
Oh no, Dhwani, why did you throw the bottle there? The earth feels sad when we waste things carelessly.
But it's just one bottle. What difference will it make?
One bottle today, thousands tomorrow. Small actions can either save the earth or spoil it.
Really? Then what should I do?
Follow the three magical R's: reduce, reuse, recycle.
Reduce means using less plastic.
Reuse means using things again, like carrying cloth bags and reusing plastic bottles.
And recycle means turning old things into new useful things instead of throwing them away.
If every child in our school follows the three R's, our school and earth will be a cleaner and greener place.
From today, I promise to keep my surroundings clean and protect nature. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's make the earth smile.
The earth is our home. If you care for them today, it will care for us tomorrow.
Thank you.
Let us all promise to keep our earth clean, protect our beautiful earth, and love nature. Have a happy, healthy, green day ahead. Thank you.